Eric Fisher has been watching this storm now for more than a week, and its fringe effects are moving toward New England.
He is live on Nantucket for us tonight, where the storm is beginning to kick up a little bit. Eric.
Yeah, some feisty winds out here on Nantucket. It was a pretty busy day. A lot of people were going back and forth on the ferries before things got a little too rough and canceled some of those late day trips. A lot of weddings. You know, a few years ago we had Jose, a tropical storm that canceled ferries for days, caused all sorts of headaches. This, a much faster mover. It's going to be in and out, knock down a couple of trees likely as we head toward tomorrow morning in the peak winds. Take a look at the track. It has been 18 days now since this left the coast of Africa all the way across the Atlantic, really strengthening through the Virgin Islands, and then, of course, the highest impact zone there in the northwestern Bahamas, and the significant landfall in North Carolina earlier on today. A couple days yet to go as it'll pass Nantucket about 150 miles to the east tomorrow, and then head up into the Canadian Maritime. That will be the end of the storm, a major windstorm there as it blows on through. So taking a look at what we have ahead of us here in terms of impact, the wind's starting to pick up out there tonight. The rain, it's going to be in two bits. This is acting kind of like a nor'easter, where there's a band far to the north and west of the center, which we can see across the interior, and then the shield of rain that's closer to the center of the storm. That shield brings the heaviest rain down here across the islands in Cape Cod. In the middle, there's some rainfall, but it's not going to cause any significant issues. In terms of the wind, we're watching that start to pick up, and those wind gusts are going to be increasing into the morning. It looks like the early morning will be our peak winds, some 40 to 60 mile per hour gusts possible, and the highest would be across outer Cape Cod, Wellfleet, Truro area, and then down toward Chatham, some strong gusts, and then here on Nantucket and Martha's Vineyard. This is where we'll see some scattered tree damage and outages. I don't expect it to be the worst storm you've ever seen, but there will be some impact as it cruises on by, and some very high surf as well. We're a little bit well-timed here. If this was last week, different story. The tides were much higher, more than 2 feet higher last weekend. So as this hits tomorrow, some minor coastal flooding. Perhaps where I stand here, one of the most prone areas on Nantucket filling with water. Other than that, not expecting major surge issues. WBZ's Zach Green is back in the studio tonight. He's been tracking the latest on this storm. And Zach, I would say this has nudged about 10 miles farther east and about an hour and a half faster tonight, looking at the trends.
That's really been it. It's happened just in the past 6 to even 8 trends that we've started to notice just how quickly this was picking up. And on top of that, the rain values have started to subside a little bit, and that is due to that eastern push. And again, Eric just mentioned it, it's a nudge, but just that little bit of variation will do enough to limit our rain and our wind potential. The timeline really has not shifted. The window of opportunity, 2 o'clock in the morning through about 10 a.m. But if you were with us earlier this evening, at 6 o'clock, this was riddled all with yellow and orange. So the new information is suggesting that the rainfall rates may subside as we make our way into 7 or 8 o'clock. So by lunchtime, most of the interior locations have already wrapped up the rain. The clouds and, yes, some of the light rain is going to continue for those in Bristol, Plymouth County, the Cape, and the islands through about lunchtime. Then the afternoon rolls around. Not only does the rain peel away, but the clouds will thin out as well. And that's going to allow for some sunshine to finish up our day. So those low-lying areas, those poor drainage spots, the ones that are prone to the flooding, likely going to get the large puddling, but it does seem to at least get absorbed and start drying up as we move into the second half of the weekend. So there is still the implication that the outer Cape as well as Nantucket see that 2 to 2.5, possibly 3-inch mark. But as we make our way farther west, we're starting to drop those values back a bit. So 1.5 to 2 inches right along the immediate coastline, and then looking about a half an inch to a full inch out towards Worcester County and parts of the Mass Pike. So as we make our way into the evening hours, we start quieting things down, not only with the rain and the waves, but also the wind. It will still be gusty to finish up the day, but really starting to calm things over as we move into Sunday with more sunshine than anything else and near 75 degrees. As we go into that evening, skies will be clearing out and it will be a little cool, which is good news not only for Fenway, but the fans going out to Gillette, the first game of the season, no less. There may be a few fair weather clouds lingering around, but Monday still looking dry. 72 degrees to kick off our week. A slight drop in our temperatures for Tuesday as we bring back some clouds ahead of the next scattered shower chances, which arise for Wednesday afternoon.
All right, Zach, thanks.